Hey, I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you're looking to make simple homemade ice cream. Well, you clicked the right video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 4-ingredient mason jar ice cream that you probably can make with the ingredients you have in your house. It calls for heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. So if you want to learn how to make this ice cream, keep watching. Along with the ingredients that I told you in the beginning of this video, you're also going to need a mason jar or a container to shake your ingredients in. I have a 16-ounce mason jar with a wide mouth. If you have a larger mason jar with a wide mouth, that works. If you have a food container, that works as well. As long as you can shake it up without spilling it, that's perfect. Okay, so now that we know what we're putting our ingredients into, we're going to talk about measurements. So for the recipe, you're going to need a ½ cup of heavy whipping cream. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Also, keep in mind that if you want your ice cream to be more on the sweeter side, add more condensed milk. If you want it to be less sweet, use less sweetened condensed milk. It's all to taste, and you're the one making it, so keep that in mind. So now that we talked about measurements, let's talk about things you can add into your ice cream. Things like pretzels, peanut butter, M&Ms, caramel sauce, chocolate sauce, cocoa powder. You can add things like granola, fresh fruit, nuts. You can even change up the extracts. You can do almond extract, lemon. The options are endless. Just play around and see what works for you and what you like. Now that we're done talking about toppings and add-ins, let's talk about making the actual ice cream. I'm going to quickly put together all of my ingredients in the jar, and then I'll show you what's next. So now that I have all my ingredients in my mason jar, I'm going to shake this for a little bit. I would say anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, or until you stop hearing this sound. So now that I put my ingredients in, I started shaking it. You're gonna hear it slow down when you're mixing it. That's when you know it's about done. Your heavy whipping cream may not double in size. That is fine. Everyone's different, but it's gonna definitely look more frothy. Don't over mix it or over shake it, because it can turn into whipped cream, because it is whipping cream. So stop when you hear it slow down as you're shaking it. Right about now is when you can freeze it as is. If you're going to add toppings in, then this is the moment you do so. I'm going to be adding in M&Ms, and I'm going to be making another one with peanut butter, cocoa powder, and M&Ms. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done freezing. Okay, so my ice cream has been in the freezer for a couple hours now, and this is what it looks like inside. This is my chocolate peanut butter M&M, and this is my vanilla. It kind of just froze on one side, but my vanilla M&M. Look at all the M&Ms that fell on there. The only thing is, I would recommend kind of elevating them. I froze them on the side on accident, or this one just fell over. This one's kind of like a little bit more evenly dispersed, but they are solid and they're gonna be delicious. So that is my recipe and instructions on how to make 4-ingredient mason jar ice cream. Again, if you add things into your ice cream, it's more than 4 ingredients, but the basis of it is 4 ingredients. It's super simple. It takes about 2 hours to freeze to get to this consistency. I'm gonna just I'm just gonna give it a good old taste. So it is solid. So it's like a solid soft serve almost, but it is frozen and it's delicious. If you like this type of video, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got something from it. I know I enjoyed making it. I'm going to read the rewards in a couple minutes here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of other recipes like crock pot recipes. I do weekly vlogs, and I'm definitely gonna do more how-to videos, including sourdough and many more. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.